What a crazy weather. It's scary and darky. Hey, are you recording? Yes, I'm recording this shit. Close the fucking window. This is scary. Papa?
Dad, yes! Yes. Papa.
Oh,
yes, it's back.
Look at this fucking storm.
Look, it's back. My dad. No saques de la fuera de esos perros.
No, no, no lo saques.
Sí, no saques. It's wet.
¿Qué? ¿Eso fue?
No sé. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do today?
No. Jesus Christ, look at this storm. It's crazy. It's a crazy storm. Yeah, by the way, my daddy, he's back home. Man, but how he think he get in the house? With all this crazy rain. And some scary thunder. I mean, I'm not scared of thunder. But if there was a huge thunder, I might be scared. But no, a little thunder, I'm not scared. Yeah. Oh shit! Fucking saw that? That was a fucking lightning. Yeah. Shit, it's crazy. I'm out here. I'm in my room. See, I'm recording on the back, on this window of my room. Like, Jesus, look at this crazy rain. Oof, very crazy, super fucking crazy. It better will not be a fucking lightning strike at me. Better not. Oh damn. Do I hear people over there? Shit! Jesus Christ. You heard that big thunder, you guys? Oh god, that was scary.
What are you gonna do?
Alright, I'm ending the video right now. Wait, let me see somebody over there. See somebody. What the hell? Alright, I'm ending the video. Jeez, this is crazy. Crazy storm. So scary. This might be my worst day. But anyway, I'm ending the video. Oh, another lightning.
Oh my gosh!
You heard that thunder? That thunder was huge. What the hell are you doing? We're not recording anything. Anyway, I'm ending the video. Gee, this is crazy and scary. But yeah, I made it in here.